This week it's really starting to feel like spring, and I thought it was time to give our entryway a quick clean. Since this is the room we first see when we come into the house, it's nice for it to be tidy, dust-free, and welcoming. It's nice to wipe some of the dust and pollen off the front door, especially as it's open more often in the spring. I noticed that this ginger plant was looking a little sad, so I took a moment to trim some of the dead stalks off. Our houseplants usually spend the summer outside, but it's still around freezing at night, so that will wait for a while. I recently bought this stick vacuum, and to tell you the truth, it has been life-changing. I am vacuuming so much more, I think because it's just so easy to move around and not have to plug it in and unplug it, and it's so much lighter than my canister vac. My orchids are currently living in my daughter's closet, and they needed a good soak. I try to do this about once every 2 weeks in the winter and a little more often as it gets warmer and drier in the summer. I also like to give them some fertilizer about once or twice a year. I have pretty good luck with my orchids reblooming, but my general plant care technique involves ignoring them, so I don't have many high maintenance plants. I was getting hungry, so I made this leftover wrap for my daughter and I. This is just a tortilla with lettuce, turkey slices, some leftover rice pilaf that I had made the night before, and coleslaw. We often eat leftovers for lunch, but I like to reimagine them into something a little different so we don't get bored eating the same thing over and over again. I installed this light fixture about a year ago, and I realized it was looking pretty dusty, so our ceilings are really high, so it's difficult for me to reach even on a stool. You can see that I'm having to stand on my tippy toes to get to the top of it. I wanted to give this open shelving in our kitchen a little update. Everything that had been up there had been there since before Valentine's Day, so it was way past due for an update. This cross stitch used to hang in my grandmother's house, and it's a great reminder to be grateful. I liked that it was yellow, so eventually I went out into the garden and found some yellow tulips to add as well. It takes me a while to decide on the final design for my shelves, and I do switch them around a lot until I find exactly what I like. It had been a while since I really cleaned the bathroom. There are just certain tasks that I put off and avoid, and the bathroom is one of them, but after it's done it feels so much better, almost like a weight has been lifted. Let me know in the comments if there are any cleaning tasks that you avoid in your house. I'd love to hear. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope to see you again in the next video. Take care.